Good morning, children. Yes, yesterday we had seen the beetle poem, right? We explained about the beetle poem. Now what we will do today? We'll write the new words, okay? Let us open the classwork notebook, okay? Open your notebook, then write the new words. So, put the heading, new words from your beetle poem. Okay. The first word is beetle itself. The first one, beetle. Next, shoe. S-H-O-E. Shoe. Shop. Shoe. Shop. Buy. B-U-Y. Buy. Sum. S-O-M-E. Sum. Brand. B-R-A-N-D. Brand. Brand is the new company's shoes. Brand. Next. Yes. Sorry. Seventh one. Sorry. Who said sorry in this poem? The assistant. Why did he say so? Yes. Because he said we sell the shoes only in twos. Beetle had 6 legs. Right? So he said sorry. Who said? Assistant. A-S-S-I-S-T-A-N-T. Assistant. Next, children, we can write sell. S-E-L-L. Sell. Next, feed. Feed. F-E-E-D. Feed. Next, easy. E-A-S-Y. Easy. So children, these 11 new words you have to write in your notebook. Okay? Let us read. B-E-E-T-L-E. Beetle. How to pronounce? B-E-E-T-L-E. Beetle. The next word, shoe. S-H-O-E. Shoe. S-H-O-P. Shop. B-U-Y. Buy. S-O-M-E. Sum. B-R-A-N-D. Brand. S-O-R-R-Y. Sorry. A-S-S-I-S-T-A-N-T. Assistant. S-E-L-L. Sell. F-E-E-T. Feed. E-A-S-Y. Easy. So children, what you have to do? You have to write these new words 2 times. Okay? Write 2 times. And by heart it. You have to by heart these new words. Okay? So that it will be easy for you to by heart the poem. Okay children? Beetle, shoe, shop, buy, sum, brand, sorry, assistant, sell, feed, easy. So let us see in the next book one more time. We will read the leopard and the beetle poem. And there is one more poem, children. We will see in our next class. Let us read these new words along with the poem. See children, the first poem we learnt all about the leopard. The leopard is not happy to see his spots, right? Once a leopard saw his spots. Lots and lots and lots and lots. My, oh me, oh me, oh my. Who did this to me and why? That leopard is asking to his reflection, right? Who did this to me and why? Come to the beetle. A beetle went into a shoe shop. Where did the beetle went? A beetle went into a shoe shop. How we have to say for the question? Where did a beetle went? A beetle went into a shoe shop. Why did he go there? To buy some brand new shoes. Why did he go there? To buy some brand new shoes. I am sorry. Who said this? Said the assistant. But we only sell shoes in twos. That assistant said we sell shoes in twos. But I have 6 feet. But I have 6 feet. See children, how many feet does that beetle have? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So beetle has 6 feet. Said the beetle. What am I going to do? Now the beetle is little worried. He wanted the shoes, but the assistant said, sorry, we sell shoes in twos. Then the beetle was in worry. What am I going to do? That beetle was asking, what am I going to do? That's easy. The assistant said, that's easy. E-A-S-Y, easy. Said the assistant. Buy two. First he said buy two and two and two. Means how many shoes that beetle has to buy? 6. Right? Buy two and two and two. So that now the beetle is happy. Can you see how happy that beetle is to wear a shoes, a colorful shoes in his feet, in his 6 feet, right? So children, this poem you have to read and by heart and write the new words 2 times and by heart that. Okay children, do your work and send it to me. This next poem we will continue in our next class. There was a young girl called Maggie. Okay children, see you tomorrow. Bye.